Explore Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin kabalas nakarpang kabak Kham, Stad, Klan, bat baduna bam umpnya.
Menteri Sorkar Bapet Yakatanat Karep Karyang, Timothy di Shira, Laong Bakin Nongrep, Hagikat tu kan ikibenta jong karilom Khasi, kila Kham Stad, bat kilayo bun ki jehikai, kadba ki Nongrep harilom Garo pad, kidang Sahdien palat. Bat ke Sorkar kandang haban ay shibun ki jinghikai yaki, kumno bakin rep kat kum ka jing Stad sayan, kumno kin pendon kam yaki sbo, bat ki weipat ki jinghikai, Kham tam kumno bakin rep yaki jor ki bam pendon kam dawai, lani ka baki ong ka organic farming.
There is a need for the development of agriculture. Say 75% of the population of Meghalaya are all farmers. They have to depend for their livelihood on agriculture. In some part of Khasi Hills, agriculture farmers are given well training, and they are trying their level best to do this scientific method of cultivation. So they are getting more income also than production because production has increased. So their income is also more. But as far as Garo Hills is concerned, most of the farmers are to be educated. They are to be trained yet. Here, and then whatever the training imparted is also not enough. 1 or 2 training, what training it is? Say, there should be some a good demonstration also. And then the training also should be imparted to say the method, how the menus are to be used, what are the what is called this one fertilizers are to be used. Nowadays, fertilizers are not advised by the agriculture department also because you see it has some what is called side effect. But as far as this what is called this the organic, you see how to make this organic manure. This is to be taught. In the past, you see, we have a lot of what is called this cattle. So the cow dung we use as the best this what is called this organic manure, and the vegetable grow with cow dung is much more is far different from the vegetable. See, grown with this fertilizer in taste. No? So if you taste the vegetable grown with this organic manure like cow dung, and the vegetable you grow with the help of fertilizer, see, taste is much different. What are the materials used for making this organic manure? This is very essential. And there are many what is called challenges for the farmers, particularly in Garo Hills. Now people go for this arecanut plantation in large number, in large scale, I should say. But there are diseases affected this arecanut plantation. And the farmers, you see, their labor was wasted. Because you see, how do I say, suppose from one horticulture, this arecanut plantation, you get, you see, 500 bags of petal nut. What was your income? Say if the price of one bag of petal nut is 4,000, means you're getting say 4 lakhs, say for every 100 bags. So if you get 500 bags, means 4 lakhs means you're getting 20 lakhs. That 20 lakhs is lost. So this is the thing. Say we should keep our emphasis. We should invite the what they call scientists to study these cases. The agriculture officers, they are not scientists. They are the technical people. They don't know what is disease and how to prevent disease. So we should also invite the scientists who will study the case in detail and find out the result and find out the way to solve this problem. And not only this disease with the Eric, even with this what is called rice plantation also, diseases are there. The local people, the farmers, they do not know. Once they planted the paddy, it is enough for them. But what are the diseases affecting this what is called paddy? They don't know. Once this leaves of the paddy becomes say this one brown, it is already it has got a disease. The PD is affected by the disease, and it will not produce anymore. Product, even if there is production, little production, it will be very, very less, beyond much below the expectation. So these are the things you see. We have to teach the farmers. This whenever this color appear in the underleaves of the paddy, these are affected by the disease. So this color is a symptom of this disease. This color is a symptom of that disease. And you should apply this medicine, you should apply that medicine. These are to be taught. And when, how much. These are the very essential for the farmers to know. Discuss the matter with the technical person, with the officer concerned, and I will direct them that these are the training to be important.
Pin rius pa ya kaktin la jong pin dan kam ya kabakan kiyo kaktin khasi kaktin la jong ai kan roi kan pa
buon kia kren halor ka environment ka saudong sauput saukun ya ka badai ban penne pensa ya ka jingjangam haka kentin khasi niyo ya ka marian na kamarian niyo sa ka meirilum meirisan meirilang meiramo
tin la jong
tudayakan mau kendit ho
khasi
lapen mi da ka pati CTV na ka benta ka jingmentoi upat ba